Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. First of all, the picture doesn't know justice. It's really beautiful. And this is from a project from Cuttle. Now, experienced Corel users could draw this in 10 minutes, but not be able to look at it with different fonts this easily. And it's pretty cool. So I'm going to go to Cuttle. And I've never have talked about their pricing. 17.10 right now for monthly membership. I'm pretty sure you can cancel it after a month. I mean, you get some projects free, create 10 downloads per month, personal use only. If you join and become a pro, personal and commercial use, upload your own fonts, unlimited project, unlimited downloads. I mean, like they just released a beta uh, on this that I've been talking about on tracing. So let's just go to Cutto and go to, well, let me see if I can find it. Um, Here it is, right? And they even have one I noticed this morning to test curse. Text with tails and hearts. And then you just put in your font right here. Let's type in Leah, Leah Smith. And look at that. It's already put the tail on there. It's already welded together. They've incorporated the heart. I mean, you can do more. You can edit the tail with none, have no heart, and you can change the font. And this is what I like about it. I could draw this with a font, but look at this. You could real quickly, they're going to draw it. Like, I don't think like that one at all, but I mean, that one's pretty cool. So it's got all these fonts that you could pick for your project. And then you just go to one, like there's Hello Honey. There's one with hearts that looks pretty cool. And see, the program is actually doing it with your font in it. So let's say we're going to use that one right there. The way I do it is download the SEG, and then it's going to ask you for a name, and I'm just going to type Leah with an S and say download. Now it's going to go up here in your folder. I go and I right click and show in folder because I want it in my desktop so I can easily find it. Whoop, I don't know if I got it. And then go to back to Corel Draw and right click import. And there's your desktop, and then just type in Leah with an S. And then there's your item. Now, it comes in as uh, 0.1 of an inch, but you can very easily make it a hairline to cut. You can change it to red. You can make it whatever size you want. And like I did on Brianna's, I did a I cut out a contour around it instead of just having like a square board or a shaped board. So I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to contour the outside 0.15 with rounded corners. And see, that's pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to object, break the contour apart. And then I've got my nudge factor set pretty high. I'm going to nudge it down. And I don't want those inner parts. So I'm going to go to object, break the curve apart. And then if I just grab the outside and nudge it back up, those inner parts stay. And then of course, if you were going to engrave this, what you'd want to do is take your smart fill tool, set on black, move that out of the way and move it down. Delete the inside here because you don't want it to cut there. Delete that. Take this one, make sure it's a hairline, and right click it to red so you know it's a hairline, and then just nudge that back up. If you notice it has no outline, it's just a fill. And then you could cut that out. And I'm not connected with these people, but a couple of times a month they come up with a new project. Um, I mean, they've got tons of projects. Um, here's some I've done that it keeps. But I mean, like a heart. Where's the one I was looking at the other day? Like this one right here. actually puts in, I don't know if you can see that, puts in the line between the letters so you can read them very easily. I need to learn how to zoom in on this, but anyway, see, there it is right there. Those blue lines, and then you would, well, if you ever need to do that and need help with it, I can help you with that. But anyway, uh, give it a try. Go on their website and use some of their free stuff. And then if you like it, become a member. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.